We'll guide you through how to choose Trello over ClickUp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Trello's website. Trello is known for its simplicity and ease of use, which makes it a great choice if you're looking for straightforward task management. Once you're on the site, you'll notice Trello's intuitive interface with boards, lists, and cards. These features allow you to organize tasks in a visual way, which is perfect if you're a visual thinker. You can drag and drop cards between lists to reflect different stages of a project. Now, let's talk about integration. Trello integrates seamlessly with many other tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox, which can be a huge advantage if you're already using these services. This makes Trello a good choice for teams that rely on multiple tools for collaboration. Another aspect to consider is pricing. Trello offers a free plan that includes unlimited cards and members, which might be sufficient if you're a small team or just starting out. The simplicity of Trello also means less of a learning curve, so you can get your team up and running quickly. In contrast, ClickUp offers more features and customization, but this can sometimes be overwhelming if you don't need all the bells and whistles. If your focus is on simplicity, ease of use, and visual task management, Trello might be the right choice for you. Remember, it's all about finding the tool that fits your workflow best. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.